one, isn't it? Taskmaster aircraft tug, which I like to see here. But so what you got here then? What number are you? 59. Yeah, apparently it's got brake problems here. Opening on the wheels. It's always one of my favourites, and it's down on the programme as the Taskmaster. Instead of that, it's a little Fergie. Yeah. 1947 Fergie T. Yeah. And we've got now another Fortune Standard. Hello. Very pretty one, this. I get confused nowadays. Here we go, number 25. Ford E27N Major, 1949. We're getting all swapped over now because it says sewer here. Stored in 2022. Looks like new. Would this be used in like sort of market garden stuff or yeah?
So good news.
What would they be using this for?
Oh, just like a gardening and yeah.
Was it? Oh, I've got that marked off. Oh, not here. Leicester County Council road mending. So, tip backwards, sideways. Stuff, where are we? David Brown, 1690, 1983. Alex Waters, Hatton. The Fergie 37 is Ferguson TD 2019-50. Ken Kitchen Nether Rock with a single follower. It's got single follower. Since new. Right, where are we? And still working. E84. 30. TD 2019-52. Haley Kirk, Mansfield Woodhouse. Ferguson 35X 1964. 89. Ford 4000. Ford 4000. 1968. Sue Elliott again. She keeps popping up, doesn't she? She's got a lot of tractors. 20. 33. Ferguson TD 20. 1952. Ivan Clark with Barrard Saw. Like this one, half track. Something different, 1952. Simon, you just feed up. Yeah, snow with the tyres on so you can tune. I'm lost. A Bonser.
Bonser forklift truck, 1981.
Ringley three-wheel truck, 1948. Market garden stuff. Yeah, market garden truck, yeah. Howard Jenkins, something in Ashfield. Number 114, right down here. The last one. Oh, right. You're keeping the original as it is, really. It's quite good. Yeah. Number 8. What on earth? I don't know this one. Alice Chalmers Model B, not very original. I've got to ask, Tim Chapman of Dead.
No, it's not for racing, it's not for pulling, it's something different, just get me to the pub.
It's a courting vehicle then. Right, 99. David Brown, 1210, 19. I thought you didn't recognise his name. Fortune County Crawler, 1952. It's local from Wimswold. Why aren't you tractor pulling this year? Everybody's asking me. And his lad Spencer. Are we allowed to call you that now? A bit old for being his lad, really, but yeah. 68. That's won prizes here, that has, isn't it? I think that's won a prize here before now.
Not this one.
Not that one. Right, 68 Fordson Roadless. J17, 1962. Oh yes, it was another one. You won the best crawler last year with the Super Major. So take it now, won't it? Right, 73 Fordson MP Super Major. Don't know that one. Oh, another Phil Kurtz from Wimswold, 1963, being driven by.
Polly.
Well done, Molly. Could win a prize as well. Very nice. And we've got Lee Gilbert, regular here, and a regular prize winner as well. Alice Chalmers U, 1938. Lee's from Chellaston. He's been in earlier with a car. And have you been in with your lorry? Have you got a motorbike to make them all up? No, okay. That's the next one for the collection, is it? Yeah, this one last year, this one. Yeah, pre-1930. Oh, furthest travel. And it's travelled the same distance today. How far? Callum Gilbert of Chellaston. It's had a mechanical restoration only. The bodywork is original. Are you keeping it original or are you having it painted? Yeah. Keep it well oiled then, I guess, yeah. And yeah, okay. This apparently an Opperman motor cart, 1946, belongs to Cheryl. That's not Cheryl. Is it for farm work or market garden?
Market garden, factories, warehouses. You don't tell me.
Just general carting of goods and people. Yeah. Here is it. 53. Have you got a number or late entry? Yeah. Number 15, Fordson E27 half track. Yes, I was wondering when there would be a Hollingshead turn up. When rather than if. 1947, David Holling. Number 16, Fordson E27N. Another one of David's. Original petrol paraffin. Fordson made in 1956. Matthew Riley of Ironburg. The winches. D60, Fordson Dexter 1960, Bradley from Very nice. Number 34, Cordy TF 20, 1952, Wayne Flint of Holder, driven by.
His daughter Leanne. His daughter.
105. Massey Ferguson 590, 1980. Tom Geezer. 80. All of the J's of Blazers. You forget that these were classed as tractors at the time. You could drive around on the road as well, wouldn't you? Years old, you could drive one of those on the road as an agricultural vehicle. With a limited range, of course. 82. Massey Ferguson 135, multi-power, 1965, Liam Neal of Heather. Export number 7, Denmark, 50 with an MF. 704. the F20, this one. 1953, John Webster of Lincoln. You have a number? You're not on the list? Ah, right, okay. $53. 63. Tell you what, by the time I've gone out here, I've gone down. 10 minutes. I've not talked to anyone. Right, Fordson Major E1, 90 E1A, 1960, Paul Sharp of Hickling. Yeah. How old were you when you got this tractor? 7, was it? 6. Right, regular winner here. Let me just get the number right. He's owned it for 50 years. 56 now. I gave it away. Best tractor winner several times at this show. E100, Ford 3600, 3600, Narrow Orchard. And I've lost my place. Linda Kemp of Marston worked on a fruit farm in Kent. I've just got to say, it's snowing not here this year. I didn't see on it. Yeah. So number 12. It's John on Mark II Contractors, 1946. It was new to Beebe Brothers originally at Rempstone and used in contracting business. I looked earlier to see if you brought two. I only found one ballast. It's in your name this time. Snowy, Kevin all on board. Regular wingman to International 1020. Let me come round the other side. There's a bit noisy there. International 1020,